46 days ago, I started seeds. I was hoping to grow cucumbers, so I picked a big container, 6 gallons. I selected the Piccolino variety because they do not need bees to pollinate. They're parthenocarpic. I gave them lots of water and a complete hydroponic nutrient called Dyna-Gro in a 936 formulation with macro and micronutrients. I wanted the plants to be happy. I needed a strong light. I wanted it to be like sunshine. How ironic. My light brand is Spider Farmer. The last thing I want is spiders. My leaves started out small, but soon they got bigger, and even bigger than that. Some leaves looked old and worn out. I removed some of those. Soon I started to get these little alien-looking things growing off my vines. They were all over. They began to get bigger. Just look at the beautiful yellow flower. My plants were thirsty. I added more water and more food. They were hungry as well. Just look at those beautiful roots. I think my plant looks happy. It will soon be time for baby cucumbers to get larger and be picked. This is the story of my hydroponic cucumbers. The end.